going to be in Mangalore for the next 4 days, and it's funny how loud I am right now even when I'm being so low. Okay, so I'm going to Mangalore for a friend's wedding, and I'm very excited for 2 reasons. One is because ये मेरी बहुत पुरानी दोस्त है जिसकी शादी हो रही है, so you know I've known her for a decade now. You guys have also seen her in a vlog where we tried to do some shopping for her wedding. So that friend Shilpa, okay. And the second is I'm going to be seeing a new city. I always get very excited when I get the chance to go to a new city in India and explore them. So पहली बार I'm going to be in Mangalore, so that's also going to be an added thing. I think we might have a day where we try to go around and see the city and everything. So pretty kicked about it. And one more thing, I'm not going to vlog throughout. I'm going to give you all snippets of my trip because I'm going to be busy enjoying my friend's wedding. Yeah, so जितना जितना मुझे chance मिलता है उतना उतना I'll show you snippets of the wedding. Mangalore airport. It was so difficult to get an Uber from the airport. Also, पहली बार मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ, so I was chatting with the taxi guy standing outside, and I'm like, Ola Uber, they're like, यहाँ नहीं चलता है. I almost believed them. I thought Mangalore में Ola Uber नहीं होता. ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं टैक्सी वाले?
नहीं, इधर एक्चुअली नहीं है.
नहीं है मतलब? तो ये क्या है? मैं किस में बैठी हूँ?
आप ऊपर में ही बैठिए. ये प्रॉब्लम क्या हम आपको सही अभी पूरा बताएंगे.
हाँ.
इधर एक टोल पे करने का है मैडम.
Okay. Now I'm going to the hotel, starving to eat some breakfast. उसके बाद प्लानिंग ये है कि संगीत का रिहर्सल होने वाला है, so I'm going to try and do that before I start getting ready for the first function of this wedding, which is going to be a मेहंदी, जिसके लिए मैंने full लहंगा and all बनवाया. That's going to happen on our day 1 of the wedding.
Yeah, you guys are killers like you did
These guys are going to teach us the dance right now.
You guys are dependent on you guys, please.
Chalo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa! 2.
Easy. Come on.
क्यों मैं खो गया? Drink now. I take it and tell me how it is.
Brilliant.
Nice.
Really?
Yeah, it's really nice. Try.
Guys, that's coconut water with soda. It's a Mangalore speciality, which even I'm going to try now. Once I'm done. Once we're done finishing this.
Literally vlogging.
Yeah.
Nariyal pani with soda. First time trying something like this. It's nice. It's different, but yes, it's sweet. But I can't really taste the soda much. What soda?
There's no much soda.
So what?
Soda has gone first.
Yeah.
Oh, so I should have had it earlier.
No. No. I think by the time they packaged it, the soda was gone. Personally from
So it's like sweet nariyal pani basically right now. So I'm back in the hotel after lunch. अभी मुझे रेडी होना शुरू करना है for the मेहंदी. 3:15 बजे एक्चुअली और 5 बजे हमारा पिकअप है. So I thought I'll just start off because 1.5 hour लग ही जाएगा with hair, makeup and everything. But I don't think I can show it to you all because lighting conditions are such. The light is opposite my face, so I can't keep my camera anywhere. So I'm just going to start doing it and maybe show you snippets of this too. I'm literally switching on my phone every few minutes to show you guys the progress. So अभी मैंने अपनी आँखें की है जो यहाँ पर अभी ढंग से नहीं दिखेगी, but once I do my face, you will see. My roommate is here. So finally I've done something with my face, some basic makeup I've figured, and I feel today I've done my eyes very neatly. Like I think this is my neatest attempt at an eyeshadow, is what I feel. And now my roommate here is getting ready. Ankita, say hi.
Hi,
That's
please don't
Ankita,
show me.
Anita.
Anita.
Oh yeah, Anita is getting ready. So yeah, I am finally ready, guys. जितना कर सकती थी मैंने कर लिया. The eyes are done, pretty decent. I think this time. Lips, jewelry सब पहन लिया. I think सिर्फ ring बाकी है मेरी and nose pin I wanted to wear, so वो बाकी है. 2 चीज़ें बाकी है. But hey, let me give you a full outfit. Wait. ये room काफ़ी messy है, so ignore. Here is how it's looking. अभी के लिए ना मैंने ये चुन्नी पिन अप की है, but I'm not sure about this. Maybe I'll just leave it later. Let's see. So it's pinned like this. And hang on. This is the whole outfit. That of course is all the best in my cupboard. So yeah, and that's my clutch. So I think ये मैं पिछली बार भी लेके गई थी, that one thing that I buy which goes on most outfits. And hair के साथ मैं ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा खुश नहीं हूँ, but I think you guys know me with my hair. I can't manage hairstyles. Yeah, I'm not good at them. So this is the max that I could do. I just did a bun. And I don't care how it's looking पीछे से, okay? Oh, but I have to show you guys the blouse. Look at this. Cool, right? I'm so happy with this choli, man. I am finally in a good lighting wala place, which is this lift. So here I am. We're all set, leaving for the function. Okay, so we're all ready and now we are doing something really important. Picture sessions and selfies are happening. The most important thing.
Fuck you, Shilpa.
वाओ, आई थिंक पूरे फंक्शन में मैं अभी तुम लोगों से कैमरा निकाल के बात करी बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट बिजी कवरिंग एवरीथिंग, शूटिंग एवरीथिंग, बट वी आर डन विद आवर डिनर व्हेन दे आर रिमूविंग द सेटअप. इतना लेट हो गया हमको एंड बट वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन. या है ना दिव्यज, हाउ वाज इट? Lot of fun, lot of dancing, some mehendi which is gone now. So yeah, the day one was super duper, and I think at least 2000 pictures that we took.
More than that. You paid me a lakh for all the pictures that I've taken.
He's been a sweetheart to like take my pictures and do some shoot and all. But yeah, मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं इतने photos कहाँ पे डालने वाली हूँ. I have no idea. But there'll definitely be some pictures on my Instagram, so you guys should go check it out in this lehenga, जिसको मैंने मेहंदी लगा के ख़राब कर दिया है. But yeah, day one, the mehendi function is over, and now I think now we're going to go back to the hotel and chill a little क्योंकि सिर्फ 11 बज रहे हैं. So थोड़ा chill करने का प्लान है और फिर कल है कॉकटेल, जिसके लिए बाय द वे कल सुबह उठकर हमें रिहर्स भी करना है बिकॉज आई हैव रिहर्स जस्ट वन डे टुडे एंड कल एक आध घंटा रिहर्स करके शाम को परफॉर्म करना है. सो वी आर सो लाइक लास्ट मिनट अबाउट इट. आर यू nervous about our performance or are you very pumped?
Nervous about our performance?
Tomorrow.
No, I'm not nervous.
Look
I'm
at
pretty
it.
confident.
Look at that. I'm very nervous because I've not practiced at all. How was today's function, Ankita? Day one.
Amazing. You were looking hot.
Thank you.
I loved your nose pin.
Yeah, which is out now. But we had a lot of fun. We danced so
course.
much, and I met Ankita after 2 years. Ankita is Shilpa's childhood friend, best friend, and we used to hang out so much pehle
Yes.
till she got married and just left us all for an American boy.
And now she's going to come to America and vlog.
Yeah.
So,
let's hope
Look
soon.
forward for that.
Let's hope soon. Fuck, I'm so dead. It's 11:30. We're just back to the room to change quickly. And then हम लोग थोड़े जो friends है, जो bride squad है, वो उनके साथ जाकर थोड़ा chill करने वाले हैं. But अभी पहले to remove this and to remove this makeup is going to take so long, dude. Is it nice? Is it good to be married? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Don't just say it for the camera, yaar.
Yeah, I'm saying it's fun. It's fun for me.
She said it.
You suggest single girls like them and me to be married?
I mean, don't rush. Take your time.
Yeah, but when you know, you know.
Then yeah, people used to
But
do that.
I-
I used to like bullshit. What
Yeah,
you know, you know.
for me also.
But you know.
Marriage is absolutely.
But with the right part.
But no.
But what are the top two qualities of a right partner? Wait.
Wait.
There's nothing right or wrong.
अरे अभी
will
बोला
tell
right partner.
I will tell you.
अरे but
Honesty. Second is she should have her own life as well.
oh, that's a very
Agreed.
important one.
And that coming from a man, my friend, respect.
Yes.
She should have her own life as
Very
well.
good.
No, that's true.
Yeah, that is important. All around me.
So I was gonna say one, communication.
100%.
I'm extremely big on communication, so that, and then I'll take from his point because I was gonna say that you are in a relationship, but you have your separate individuality. That should not go.
But you're big on communication. What if the other person doesn't give a damn about communicating much?
You find with the जो right person बोलते with the right person you find that thing where you're able to communicate, you're able to discuss, you're able to talk.
The right person will
And
communicate
yeah,
with you.
and then that's also without judgment. You're not worried that you talk to that person and that person is going to judge you, or any
So
sort of
clearly I've met
communication.
no right people in the last 7 years.
You will. Fingers crossed.
You guys will.
Now someone.
What? You signed up for what? Sorry, this is
Signed up
for...
for elite matrimony.
Okay, and how does that happen? Guide us through the process.
It's a nice way to meet people these days. I'm not
It's a
kidding.
very
It's a website.
curated- Yeah, it's a sister concern of Shadi.com.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Bharat Matrimony, sorry.
Oh.
So they understand your preferences
Yeah.
and then they give you curated profile.
Correct.
And then you meet the person and then you talk and then you take things forward. So it's still in your
Interesting.
hands.
Correct. So all
So
the
it's an
profiles.
arranged
Yeah,
marriage,
it's arranged marriage.
But a very independent setup.
Interesting.
That's right.
It's a good setup if you ask me.
That's right.
Parents are very well balanced.
I agree.
He's least interested. He's like, let me do Instagram and chat with people.
Body, we are all just consciousness.